Hi, Esther here from Life Science Centre. I've been having a lot of fun playing with rockets. Rockets don't just launch humans into space, they can launch machines, like satellites, that travel around our planet and send us helpful information, like where we are on a map, or the weather forecast, so we know when the next sunny day is for a picnic. When I think of rocket launches, I think of faraway places, but soon we'll be launching rockets from here in the UK. Some of them will be rockets like this one, but some of them will be planes like this to take smaller rockets higher up in the sky. But if I were to make my own rocket, it would be a lot more colourful, like this one. What would your rockets look like? Show us by tagging us on social media @ScienceAlive.